Folks, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how to draw a common tangent to two equal circles. So basically, I want to talk about the common tangents to two equal circles. The first thing you need to have drawn is your two equal circles. So let me draw two equal circles of any radius. So let's just pick a radius of this radius. This should be okay. Let me draw two equal circles. So this will be the first circle. So I don't even know the radius, but I'm just drawing the circles. So of any radius, as long as the radius are equal. So you can see that I did not adjust the distance of the compass, the diameter of the radius of the compass rather. So the next stage is you draw a line through the centers of the circles. So let's draw a line through the center of the circles. Draw a line through the center of the circles. Now after drawing a line through the center of the circles, that's the second step. Then the third step is to bisect the diameter AB. Now basically the diameter has to do with the edges of this circle. So when I draw a line through the center, I will have the diameter. That's the diameter of the entire group of circles. So basically this diameter AB, that's from the edges. But then we have the personal diameter of circles. So let's call this AC. That's the diameter AD. DB. So first of all, let's bisect this diameter AC. So when we bisect it, we'll get another diagonal. So if we bisect this, so upwards, downwards, then upwards, downwards. So then I also bisect the second circle, upwards, downwards, and then the other one, upwards and downwards. So at the end of the day, I will have I'll draw a line through the bisector. And I'll draw a line through this bisector too. So you can see that the line passes through the center. So the next stage is to join the the points where these lines touch the circle. So you join them together. So you can use the top or bottom. So let's use the top. We'll also use the bottom too. So this line that joins these 2 points, where these bisectors touch the circle. So when I join those 2 points, so here we have a tangent. So let's call it TT. This is called a common tangent, and it passes through these points and this point. So this is how to draw a common tangent to two equal circles. You can also draw a bottom common tangent. So just locate the point where this bisector touches the circle. This point here, this point here. Then we'll draw it. Let's go. Thanks for watching.